This is a beautifully decorated large one-bedroom apartment in Punta Cana Village. The spacious open-style kitchen welcomes guests and family members to the home and connects to the living room, which is perfect for entertaining. The large glass windows give a great view of the natural greenery that surrounds the condo and the pool area. The condo has a closed-off laundry room and a bedroom with a large bathroom and closet. Additionally, it features a separate storage room and assigned parking. Owners have access to Punta Cana Resort and Club and the beautiful white sand beach at Playa Blanca. Contact Coldwell Banker Prime Realty for more information on this listing.